Guys, most PC setups have the same problem. So I started looking for a simple way to add more screen space without rebuilding my whole setup. And that's exactly why today I am testing this portable monitor. I am Daniel, and on this channel I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today we're looking at the CORSAIR XENEON EDGE, a 14.5-inch touchscreen display that gives you extra screen space in a more flexible form. At the end, I'll try to answer the question: is this a useful touchscreen sidekick or just another cool-looking screen? And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open it up. Alright mates, the first thing to understand is that the XENEON EDGE is not trying to be a normal portable monitor. The shape gives that away immediately. It is long, narrow, and built around a 32:9 layout, so it feels more like a dashboard than a regular screen. The display has a native 2560 by 720 resolution, which sounds unusual, but it fits the job. You are not buying it to replace your main monitor. You are buying it for information that is useful at a glance, system stats, widgets, or shortcuts. Corsair uses an AHVA panel with 16.7 million colors and up to 350 nits of peak brightness. That should be enough for a clear companion display on a desk or inside a PC case. But guys, this is not HDR, and it is not a high-refresh gaming screen. The body is slim at 22 mm, and the wide 372 mm shape gives it a very specific look. The 5-point capacitive touchscreen is the feature that makes it feel different from a passive stat display, because you can tap, swipe, and actually interact with it. So the first impression is definitely niche, but it is the kind of niche that starts to make sense once you decide exactly where it belongs. Now, my friends, let's talk about placement, which is a huge part of this product. If you drop it randomly on the desk, it may feel like one more thing taking up space. But if you give it a clear job, the mounting options become one of its strongest features. Corsair includes a detachable magnetic stand, so you can angle it toward you like a small control panel. The back also includes 14 built-in magnets for metal surfaces, plus 2/4-inch mounting points for AV arms or Elgato-style multi-mount setups. It can sit vertically or horizontally, and Corsair also mentions 360mm radiator mounting positions inside compatible PC cases. Folks, that makes sense if you want a clean internal display for system monitoring or setup visuals. Connection is straightforward, but there is one important detail. If your system supports Thunderbolt or USB 4, USB-C may carry both video and power. Otherwise, you will usually use HDMI for video and USB for power. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! So mates, let's find out whether the XENEON EDGE is actually a useful device or just a fancy decoration for your desk. Because a small touchscreen only earns its place if it solves small everyday problems. The simplest mode is using it as an additional monitor. Windows can treat it like another screen, so you can put whatever you need on it: music, Discord, or a browser window. It also works great for Slack, Twitch chat, or any other app you want to keep visible. That alone can help, because those apps no longer cover what you are actually doing. The touchscreen makes that even more practical, guys. It makes it so simple to pause music, skip tracks, or adjust volume. With this screen you can tap a shortcut or check a notification without pulling everything back onto the main screen. Then there is iCUE. Honestly, you do not need it just to use the XENEON EDGE as a basic monitor. But if you want the more interesting Corsair features, iCUE is where they live. I am talking about monitoring dashboards, sensor charts, and other setup-style controls. For PC enthusiasts, that can be genuinely useful. Instead of opening software to check temperatures, load, or audio levels, you can keep those things visible in one dedicated place. Streamers can use it for chat or quick controls, while productivity users can keep calls, calendars, or reference material away from the main workspace. One of the strongest angles is virtual Stream Deck support. With Elgato's virtual Stream Deck experience, the Xeneon Edge can become a touchscreen command surface for launching apps, controlling lighting, or triggering creator actions. So mates, if you have repeated controls, chats or shortcuts you always want visible, this is where the Xeneon Edge starts to click. Its key idea is giving those little things a permanent home. Alright my friends, let's wrap it up. The Corsair Xeneon Edge is a very specific accessory, and that is both its strength and its weakness. It gives you plenty of cool things such as a sharp wide touchscreen, USB-C and HDMI support, and iCUE widgets, but it is not a normal full-size monitor. It is not a high-refresh gaming display, it is also not battery-powered, and it only really makes sense if you place it thoughtfully and customize it around your own workflow. In my opinion, for streamers, creators, and anyone who already keeps small utility windows open, it can be a genuinely useful sidekick. But for casual users who just want more screen space, a normal second monitor may make more sense. So, which group are you in? Let me know in the comments. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time!